Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel AI Era. In the last video, we have seen how to create a matrix using a Numpy library. In this video, we have explored the more feature about the matrix feature in Numpy library, such as addition of matrix, multiplication of matrix, division and subtraction of matrix. So, without doing any delay, let's jump into the Jupyter Notebook for coding. So in Jupyter Notebook, to accessing NumPy library, my first topmost priority is to import NumPy library. So I can import it by saying import NumPy as np. Then I press shift enter. Then I can create a two matrix for addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. To performing this basic operation, I will require a two matrix. So first I will create a matrix 1. So video we create the first matrix by using a arrange method, and the second matrix we can create by using a random method, a random function. Let's start. So first of all, call matrix function np dot matrix, then np dot a range. I can say a 20. Then I'll simply reshape it in 5 by 4 matrix. Those who new to my channel and new to this video, those can access my previous video in NumPy series. So I can just simply press shift enter. The cell is get successfully run. For printing, I have to just write a mat1, and here my matrix 1 of 5 row and 4 column is get created. Basic funda behind creation of matrix by using different command is to get practice of this command. So np dot random dot random create a 20 random number in between 0 to 1. So I can also reshape it in 5 rows and 4 column, and I can print matrix 2. So it shows error. I can get it. It's a typing error. So don't worry about it. Okay. So here matrix 1 and matrix 2 is get created. So I want my output in matrix C. So np. So first operation we have to perform is addition. So add mat 1 mat 2, just simply print matrix C, and here you can observe the addition function can perform a element wise addition of matrix 1 and matrix 2. Then second operation we can perform is subtraction of both matrix. Subtract mat 1 mat 2 mat C. Here you can get a subtraction result of mat 1 and mat 2, that is matrix 1 and matrix 2. I just simply copy this code and paste it below line, and removing subtraction I can just say multiply, and I can run it. I am performing same method and removing subtract, you can say divide. So here you can see the matrix addition, matrix subtraction, matrix multiplication, matrix division. So in these 4 command, actually element wise operation take place here. So if you like this video, please like it, share it with your friend, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you one and all. So one more thing, for my each Jupyter Notebook code, I can share a GitHub link in the description.